hunting
Gophers.
gophers. Oh,
Look.
he's got that person coming running.
No, he's after a gopher. He
Oh,
got
he's
him.
got a gopher.
He got him. Look. He got him.
Move your hand. And then that dog's gonna come and scare him. Oh, he's like, nope, that's a black gopher.
That's why he's staying here. There's all these gophers. Gophers! Yeah. He just swallowed it.
I seen it. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. Well, honey, when we get a yard, we're gonna have to get us a bird like that so we can have it.
We won't have to worry about gopher problem.
Vermins. I saw you. Are you gonna leave a tip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We saw him last week. He's staying on this strip because he's eating all the gophers. Yeah, they swallow them whole.
I think it's crushing it.
Okay.